Of the last 30 minutes have been CSB Bank as well as Shriram Finance. Shriram Finance, nifty company up 7.5% from the lows post their numbers, mildly in the green, mildly in the red, but it has seen a big recovery from the lows. CSB Bank, on the other hand, was flattish for most part of today's trading session. As soon as the numbers hit the screen, the stock's down 4%. What explains these divergent moves on both these numbers, and what are the details of these numbers? We have Abhishek with us. He's read through the numbers. Abhishek, tell us both about Shriram Finance and CSB Bank.
Well, to begin with CSB Bank, asset quality sees massive deterioration in a quarter where lenders see improvement in their asset quality. Now, CSB Bank has seen massive deterioration in their asset quality. Slippages are up 239% quarter on quarter, 122 crore versus 36 crore. Annualized slippage ratio is at 2% versus 0.64%. So, gross NPA in absolute value is up close to 30% quarter on quarter, and net NPA is up 78% quarter on quarter, which explains that provision coverage ratio might have declined as well. The percentage with respect to gross NPA and net NPA may not look, much of a momentum because the advances growth or denominator factor has kicked in. Otherwise, in absolute value, massive deterioration in their asset quality sequentially. Shriram Finance, strong quarter over there. The NII is up 20% YOY and 4.75% sequentially. So the net interest margin is at 8-year high of 9.02%. At a time when you are expecting cost of funds to come and impact the net interest margin, over here we have a lender whose net interest margin has improved. So operating profit growth is at 26.8% YOY and about 5.9% sequentially. Gross NPA ratio and net NPA ratio have declined on a sequential basis. PAT has come in at 1,946 crore, which is up 48.7% YOY and 7% sequentially, which explains that their return ratios, both the ROA and ROE, are one of the best that you are seeing in last 8 years or last 8 quarters or 2 years. Back to you.
All right, Abhishek, that explains the divergent moves on both these counters. Shriram Finance, good asset quality, NIMs expanding, and weakness in asset quality taking CSB Bank down. A bunch of other stocks which are also spiking from the Q.